Hey guys, I'm back again, and here's the finished playing Leon. This is his counter mode, and they had it. I wish they had permanent a little more sticking because they can get script like Ray or yeah, I think the Ray wheel. And last is drago destroy, which for Baku bladers, this is gonna be one of my most used 40 bay, and 40 tip is short, it turn hold flat and converts to spike, which they didn't do for Aquario. I forgot to mention all those 40 pieces. There's Ryuga, Drago Destroyed, Light Launcher, 2 light, left spin, Final Survive, and all that. I forgot to mention that this Kiyoya right there. Yeah. So let's unbox this bad boy. Yeah. Let's see if the screwdriver works. No, it doesn't. Don't even bother with it. Let's do it. Okay. Here we go with all the last 40 bay. Yeah. Jet should come pretty soon. Here's all of Eldrag. It's all red. Okay. There's those. Final survive tip. Plus that. The white one. Yeah. Ugh. There's that. There's the light lawn. There's the left shooter. They didn't want to leave out Drago. I don't know what went in their mind, but I think they kind of ran out the idea of maybe crunchy. Yeah. Here's Drago destroy. Here's my Drago. Yeah, that's how it goes, but this is kind of the core-ish rubber. This is plastic and rubber, so it has this is the attack, and that's absorbed, obviously. Metal. This is pure metal on top. I think I heard that they had problems with it being the energy ring on Eldrago's to ship. Here's absorb mode and here's attack mode. So, Navy faceport. Maybe get this open. 912. Open. Oh my gosh. Here's the final survive tip. It's kind of sick. Yeah, they should have did this for Aquario, like I thought. Okay, but technology wasn't advanced back then. So let me put this. We practice. Here's Drago. There's a little gap on him, but I think it will work. I'll put stickers on later. So Jet owns these Eldragos, Lightning and Medio, and I own Destroy, because we're getting even bays before D, since there. Oh yeah, it wasn't there before. So I asked Jet to help me with this, to test drive Eldrago. He's gonna help me launch Drago. Wait, I think he'll help me use Fang. There you go.
I'll have to switch.
counter mode versus. And you have to do it quickly. Absorb mode. Let's see. Yeah. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Ah. Ow, too powerful launched. Go, 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 go. Oh, Drago. Oh, Drago. That says he's doing pretty well against all. There, he just turned the short mode. Oh, Leon's just hammering him down. Now Drago doesn't have a chance. That's our kind of our Ryuga voice for the series. Ah. Bang Leon wins. And this kind of is not the best 4D tip that's out there, but I recommend them buy them both. And those are all my Beyblade unboxings for now. I'll be getting more stuff like Bay Locker, more Stadium, but that's all for in store, and yeah, compared to that. Sucker! See you guys later.